Here's the room tour, 7105 Novotel at Nusa Dua. 2-bedroom pool suite room. So we go in, got a good dining room and kitchen. Just point out that it does have its own water cooler, hot and cold water, which is good considering you can't drink the water here. Good sized kitchen, good fridge. You probably want to buy some drinks and what else you want. We're packing to leave today, which is a bit sad, but I'd come back here. Good size lounge room, enough for everybody to sit. The second bedroom's 2 single beds with its own door out to the pool area, which we'll get to. Wardrobe, enough hanging space, and television. All rooms are air conditioned, so you can choose your temperature. Second bathroom, shower bath, toilet, standard, and basin. Across the living room is the master bedroom. Which has its bath, basin, its own shower, rain shower, and wand. And the other side is the toilet. Glass door, pretty interesting. And out through the bath is some shutters into the bedroom. The cupboard, safe, drawers, hanging space, what you'd expect. TV and just a nice bench there. King size bed, which is pretty comfortable. And leading outside, I guess this is why people want this room. Nice sitting area. A little barley hut with its own bed, which got used a little bit by the kids. And pool area. Nice touch for the room. So you've got the bedroom 2 can come out those doors, lounge room come out those doors, and the master. Beautiful room. I would recommend staying here for anyone that's looking forward to coming here.